Welcome. We are your hosts, Chris and Tammy.
In this podcast, we dive into the mindset for networking strategies and skills you'll need to build a solid foundation to build a global business.
We've built a multi-million-dollar business and have mentored thousands of people around the globe in the last 25 years.
Yeah, so how to make affirmations work for you. So chemical connections in the brain are going to facilitate the communication with the body and are formed through experiences, anything that you experience in life. And repeating these actions are going to strengthen your neural connection to whatever it is that you are wanting to, whatever you speak about, whatever you're thinking about, whatever you're attracting into your life, whether it's physical or mental. Okay, so the majority of the days, most people are just bombarded. Like, we do presentations, meetings, trainings on a regular basis because let's face it, we're full-time networkers, right? And constantly when you sit down and communicate with people and often they're broke. Well, no wonder. Everything that they're repeating to you, telling us the stuff that's going on in their life, well, it's because they're speaking it, they're calling it out. I mean, it's happening for a reason. People don't want to hear that it's happening for a reason because they're just surrounded by it. But people need to understand you got to change that, and it starts to change in the mind first. And then you start to attract positive things once you shift. It's making that shift. That's how it works for you, is to have some focus on what you want to attract into your life. That's why Chris was saying the importance of waking up in the morning, and you create it in your head first. And then you start to get excited about it, whatever it is. And then you go along with your day, and all of a sudden you're getting that phone call from an old friend that said, "Hey, I know you told me about this product before. I'd like to learn more about it." So if you want to change your financial situation, start thinking about stuff like this.
I agree. And Tammy, yeah. One thing I'd love for you to mention is, how do you identify negative thoughts? How do you work on this? And I know that you have, a point here on our notes that I'd love for you to cover.
Yeah. So we were talking about a majority of the daily thoughts are negative due to biological and survival instincts, right? And choosing positive thinking can change the subconscious mind and shift focus to positive aspects of your life. Thoughts shape emotions, and it reinforces the positive thoughts can lead to obviously a healthier mindset. And positive affirmations in the present tense will help control your thought pathways and open the doors for success. And scientific studies demonstrate the benefits of daily affirmations, including improved performance and lower stress levels as well. So incorporating positive affirmations into your daily life is a personal process, as we were mentioning to you. And keeping a journal, that's a big one. Keep a journal, identify those negative thoughts and rewrite them. How many times have we done this, Chris? Over and over and over. You need to rewrite them into a positive form. And you repeat it over and over and over and create that visualization as well. This is big.
If I may, I just want to underline the keeping the journal. This is really a very important step. Now, it's up to you. I mean, it is your life, right? You're the one who lives it. The fact here is you want to identify those negative thoughts, identify them, write them down. Mm-hmm. Once you write them down, then you can actually find the opposite on the positive side and train yourself. It's like you want to lose weight. You want to be fit. You have to do something that will be reversed to what you used to do, that got you to what you don't want to be. So it's very important that you identify those, because if you want to attract the people you want and not the people you don't want in your life, you need to identify, what do you tell yourself? What do you do that will be reflecting on your activities that are keeping you where you don't want to be?
And that's creative visualization. That's what it is. We're creating it in our mind first, but we've learned how to do this over many years. And you're going to have situations where you're going to get a punch in the face. We've all had them. You might be going through this right now, but you can choose to focus on that punch, or you can choose to focus on what you desire to be, do, and have to get out of any situation that you're in, no matter what it is. It's amazing how this works, and to believe that it's real.